We are pleased to show you the 2021 Explorer. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.3-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 400 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power lift gate. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, rear AC, HD radio, satellite radio, ventilated front seats. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.